Good morning students. Today we will learn about chapter number 3, that is synthetic fiber and plastics. In this chapter we will learn about different types of fibers. So first of all, what is meaning of fiber? There is a different type of natural fibers are there, synthetic fibers are there. So that what comes in our mind, that fiber, what is the meaning of fiber? So as we wear different types of clothes like this shirt, t-shirts, jeans, this all are the clothes. Clothes are made from fibers. So today in this chapter we will learn about the different types of fibers. They are synthetic fiber, artificial fiber, natural fiber, some man-made fibers. So these different types of fibers we will learn in this chapter. So first of all, what are the natural fiber that we get from nature? Like jute, cotton, these all are we get from nature. As you know, we grow a cotton in our field, farm, right? After picking out that cotton and made a fiber, right? Also, you know that we wear a cotton clothes in summer. Why is it so? Because they absorb a heat. They absorb a heat and evaporate that water. So we feel cool during the summer. That's why we wear cotton clothes in summer. So that cotton is made from nature. So here there are the different types of fibers. So now fiber is on the which purpose? On which phenomena fiber works. So have you seen that the chain? What is meaning of chain? In cycle you have seen that the chain, right? So one like chain is like that. One thing is connected to together. These all the molecules connect together and make a simple chain. This is known as one type of chain. So same as it is. Different types of fibers attach in this manner and make a chain. In your cloth you have seen that the different types of small threads are combined together. Here you will see that in the shirt you will see that the different types of threads combine together and make a chain, and from this they will prepare a fiber. In any clothes, either in jute, either in cotton, either in polyester, you have seen that the different types of this type of chain will form and make a fiber. So fiber is made from a chain, made in this manner, and the cloth is prepared. So the phenomena of the fiber, how to make a cloth, the phenomena in this many repeating units of cloth is combined together and make a fiber. So first of all we will learn about the different synthetic fibers, right? As you know, the synthetic fibers, rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic, these are the synthetic fibers. First, that is rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. These are the synthetic fibers. Right? So one by one we will discuss all the things. What is rayon, what is nylon, what is acrylic. These all the things we will learn in this chapter. First of all, rayon. Rayon is also known as artificial silk. Original silk is much expensive. Nowadays we cannot buy it was very expensive. So scientists made some phenomena and some chemical reaction and produced in 19th century that same type of that silk, right? Same type of artificial silk that is known as rayon, right? So with the using of this rayon, we prepare. Rayon is made from wood pulp and some natural fibers. During some chemical reaction, scientists in the end of 19th century they found artificial silk that is known as rayon. Also that is very durable. Rayon is also durable and a fascinating color is also dyed in that material. So this is a similar type of artificial silk, and second, that is a less expensive, easily we get from the market at cheaper sources, right? So this is the rayon, that is a copy, that is a carbon copy of silk, right? So nowadays we are using this type of artificial silk which form with different chemical reaction. Then nylon. Nylon is made from plants, natural plants, and coal and petroleum. These all the things were combined, and during chemical reaction we form a nylon. You have seen that different nylon things like rope, when the climbers using that rope, in rock climbing, that is made from nylon. Nylon is very strengthened. It is strengthened than steel also. Nylon. Different types of like raincoat and umbrella. These all types of material is made from this man-made thing. The man-made thing that is known as nylon. So here we have seen that the carpets and the plastic material that we in sports we have seen that the different types of t-shirts in sports they all prepare with nylon. Also there is lustrous, that shine, so the appearance of that particular cloth is very good. So nowadays we all use this type of clothes that is very fascinating, also less expensive, and we buy it from the market very easily. So we have completed the rayon, that is known as artificial silk. Second, nylon, which is a much strengthened than steel. So in the process, in the rock climbing, we are using this type of thread. Also parachutes, umbrella, these all things are made from this nylon. This is very strengthened. So now, then after the third thing, that is polyester. Polyester, this is the combination of two words, poly and ester. Poly, that means many. Poly, that means many. And ester, which is a fragrance in the fruits and plants and nature. That these two words is combined and will make a polyester. We have seen that different types of plastic bottles, right? PET, tetrathalate, that is known as polytetrathalate. PET, plastic bottles, all the things is made from polyester. Some types of dress material is also made with this type of material that is known as polyester. Then acrylic. Acrylic is a carbon copy of that woolen clothes. We have seen that original wool, that natural sources of wool which we wear in winter season is get from sheep, that wool. But day by day, that natural resources are decreasing. So scientists make another copy of that acrylic material, woven material in machine, that is known as acrylic. That is also similar appearance of that natural fibers like that wool and the acrylic, both are same. We have seen that both are similar, but both have same property also. But original thing, natural resources, natural wool is quite expensive than acrylic material. Also the finishing in acrylic material is so good that is in different colors that is available in acrylic all materials. Different colors is also available. That wear that quite smoother than natural. So people prefer the acrylic material. People prefer that acrylic sweaters in the from the market. We wear the some jackets, right? From the Tibetan markets, we have seen that we wear that is also design also available, right? Different types of design like childhood life of Mickey Mouse, Doraemon, this type of thing easily paste, machine paste on the acrylic material. So we can buy it. It's also quite cheapest, quite cheapest. So we buy that acrylic material. So here is the different types of synthetic fibers. Rayon, that is also known as artificial silk. We made different types of carpets. Nylon is used in making a rock climber, that particular thread. Then parachute is also made by this nylon. Polyester, different types of dress material is made from polyester. Acrylic, woolen clothes that will prepared in now that in acrylic material that is quite smoother and much cheapest than natural wool. So now people prefer to buy this acrylic material. Also that is different colors is available and quite smoother than natural thing. So here today in this lecture we will complete the synthetic fibers. All the synthetic fibers we will discuss: rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. The properties of these different things we have discussed. How the material, how the polymer, how their word comes from, how the fibers are formed with using these different types of chain and combine together and make a fiber. So natural fibers we have discussed, jute and cotton. These all are the synthetic fiber. So in the next lecture we will discuss about the different types of plastics. Different types of plastics materials are there. There is a thermostatic plastic, right? Thermoplastic. These all types of different materials we will discuss in next lecture. Till then, bye bye.